Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to Essential Eats, your ultimate destination for everything nutritious and delicious. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of carrots. Get ready to discover why this humble root vegetable is a powerhouse of health benefits. Let's jump right in. Carrots, those vibrant orange wonders, are not only crunchy and delicious but also packed with a treasure trove of nutrients. In this video, we'll explore the numerous reasons why carrots deserve a prominent place in your daily diet. Trust me, after this, you'll be grabbing carrots by the bunch. First and foremost, let's talk about their stellar nutrient profile. Carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This essential vitamin is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, promoting good skin health, and supporting a strong immune system. Studies have shown that regular consumption of carrots can reduce the risk of conditions like night blindness and age-related macular degeneration, while also enhancing overall immune function. But wait, there's more! Carrots are rich in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, promotes a feeling of fullness, and supports a healthy gut. Including carrots in your meals can help regulate bowel movements and keep your digestive system happy. The fiber in carrots also acts as a prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial bacteria in your gut and contributing to a healthy microbiome. A healthy gut is essential for optimal digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall well-being. Additionally, carrots contain antioxidants such as vitamin C and other phytonutrients that help protect against cellular damage, boost the immune system, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. These powerful antioxidants contribute to overall well-being and promote a healthy aging process. Studies have suggested that the antioxidants in carrots, including beta-carotene and vitamin C, can help reduce inflammation, support cardiovascular health, and even lower the risk of certain types of cancer. Another amazing benefit of carrots is their impact on heart health. The high levels of potassium and fiber in carrots support a healthy cardiovascular system. Regular consumption of carrots can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and maintain healthy blood pressure levels. The antioxidants present in carrots also contribute to reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key factors in heart disease development. Did you know that carrots are also good for maintaining oral health? Chewing carrots stimulates saliva production, which helps neutralize harmful acids and prevents tooth decay. The natural minerals found in carrots, such as calcium and vitamin K, also contribute to strong teeth and bones. So, adding carrots to your daily routine can not only benefit your overall health but also support your dental hygiene. For those aiming to maintain a healthy weight, carrots are a fantastic addition to your diet. They are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a satisfying and nutritious choice for snacking or incorporating into meals. The combination of fiber and nutrients in carrots promotes satiety and can help with weight management. Including carrots in your meals can also add a burst of vibrant color and a natural sweetness, making them a satisfying and guilt-free option for those seeking a healthier lifestyle. Carrots are not limited to the classic orange variety. There are also purple, yellow, and white carrots available, each offering unique nutritional benefits. Purple carrots, for example, contain anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds have been associated with reduced cancer risk, improved heart health, and enhanced brain function. Yellow and white carrots are rich in other beneficial compounds such as lutein and xanthophylls, known for promoting eye health and reducing the risk of macular degeneration. Incorporating carrots into your daily routine is easy and versatile. Enjoy them raw as a crunchy snack, slice them into salads for an added burst of color and flavor, or cook them in stir-fries, soups, or roasted dishes. The possibilities are endless. You can even try making carrot-based recipes such as carrot cake, carrot muffins, or carrot hummus to indulge in the sweetness and nutritional benefits of carrots in a delightful way. Now, let's talk about how carrots can contribute to overall skin health. The antioxidants in carrots, including beta-carotene and vitamin C, help protect the skin from oxidative stress caused by environmental factors. These antioxidants support collagen production, which helps maintain the elasticity and youthful appearance of the skin. Additionally, The vitamin A in carrots promotes skin cell turnover and can help prevent acne breakouts. But the benefits don't stop there. Carrots also offer support for a healthy immune system. The combination of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals in carrots helps strengthen the body's defense mechanisms and promotes optimal immune function. Including carrots in your diet can provide a natural boost to your immune system, helping you ward off common illnesses and stay healthy. Carrots are a fantastic food for maintaining healthy digestion due to their fiber content. The fiber acts as a natural bulking agent, aiding in regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Moreover, the fiber in carrots feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy gut microbiome and supporting overall gut health. Furthermore, carrots are a great addition to a weight management plan. Their low-calorie and high-fiber content make them a satisfying choice for those looking to shed some pounds or maintain a healthy weight. The fiber in carrots helps keep you feeling full for longer, reducing the chances of overeating or snacking on unhealthy foods. To make the most of the nutritional benefits of carrots, it's best to consume them in their raw or lightly cooked form. Cooking carrots until they are just tender helps retain more of their nutrients compared to overcooking them. Steaming, roasting, or sauté carrots can help bring out the natural sweetness while preserving their nutritional value. In conclusion, carrots are truly a superfood that offers a wide range of health benefits. From supporting vision and immune function to promoting healthy digestion, heart health, and skin radiance, carrots are a versatile and nutrient-packed addition to any diet. So, start incorporating carrots into your meals today and experience the amazing benefits they have to offer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Essential Eats for more exciting videos on healthy eating, superfoods, and nutrition tips. Remember, your health is essential, and we're here to help you make every bite count. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll continue exploring the incredible world of nutritious foods. See you soon!